This frog is almost invisible. At first glance, a glass frog looks completely normal. But flip it over, and you'll see something that seems impossible. Its skin is so transparent that you can actually see its heart beating, its organs working, and blood moving through its body. But that's only part of the mystery. During the day, glass frogs become even harder to spot by hiding on the undersides of leaves, blending perfectly into their surroundings. Then scientists discovered something unbelievable. When these frogs sleep, they can hide most of their red blood cells inside their liver, making their bodies dramatically more transparent. Imagine watching an animal slowly disappear while it's still sitting right in front of you. And despite looking fragile, glass frogs survive in rainforests filled with predators that would gladly eat them. A frog with a see-through body, a heartbeat visible to the naked eye, and a camouflage trick that seems like science fiction. The glass frog doesn't just hide from predators. It almost vanishes from reality.
This fish can shoot down its prey. The archerfish doesn't chase insects. It snipes them. Hiding just below the water's surface, it spots a bug sitting on a branch above. Then it fires a jet of water with incredible accuracy, knocking the insect straight into the river. But here's the impossible part. Light bends when it passes through water, making objects appear in the wrong place. Somehow, the archerfish automatically compensates for this distortion and still hits its target. And it gets even crazier. Young archerfish have to practice. They miss, adjust, and learn from experience, almost like tiny underwater sharpshooters. Then scientists discovered that some archerfish can hit targets over 6 feet away. An astonishing distance for a fish. A fish that aims. A fish that learns. And a fish that uses water like a weapon. The archerfish doesn't hunt with teeth or speed. It hunts with perfect aim.
This squirrel can glow in the dark. The northern flying squirrel looks like an ordinary squirrel during the day. But under ultraviolet light, something shocking happens. It lights up bright pink. For years, scientists had no idea this was possible. Then, while studying wildlife at night, they discovered these squirrels glowing like neon signs in the forest. But that's not their strangest ability. Despite the name, they don't actually fly. They glide, using a flap of skin stretched between their legs. They can launch from a tree and sail through the air for over 100 feet, steering with incredible precision. And because they're mostly active at night, they move through the darkness almost like silent ghosts, leaping from tree to tree without touching the ground. Then comes the mystery. Nobody knows exactly why they glow pink. Is it camouflage? Communication? Something else entirely? A squirrel that flies. A mammal that glows. And a secret that scientists still can't fully explain. The northern flying squirrel proves that even familiar forests are hiding unbelievable creatures.
Leave a comment about which animal you want to see in the next video.